In this video, I'll show you how to design and send your very first email campaign to engage with contacts. To get started, head to the marketing section of your account. Then go to emails and then campaigns. This will be your email campaigns dashboard where you can view current campaigns, workflow campaigns, templates, and statistics. To design your first email, head to templates and then click new on the right-hand side. From here, we can either import an email, create one from blank, use one of the many email marketing templates, or create a template from an existing campaign. To get started, I'd recommend you click Email Marketing Templates to view the email campaign template library where you can view all of the different types of email campaigns you can send out to your customers. Just like other template libraries, we can browse categories on the left-hand side, and when we decide on an email that we want to use, we can click the preview button to view the campaign. Then we can view the email on this screen, and when we're satisfied with using this email, we can click Continue in the top right-hand side. We'll then be launched into our email template editor, where we can edit current elements such as images, copy, and button actions, or add in new elements using any of the actions from the left-hand side. We can also utilize any of the pre-built layouts to further customize our email by simply dragging and dropping. Edit elements like images by clicking on the image, clicking the pencil icon on the left-hand side, and then uploading an image from the media library. To edit sections of text, click on the section, type your desired text, and adjust your formatting using the top toolbar. When you're satisfied with your template, click Save Template in the top right-hand side. From this screen, we can test our email by clicking the three dots and clicking Test Email, where we can input a from address, a sender name, send a test to, and then an email subject line, and then send this test email to ourselves to see what this will look like on our devices. When we're satisfied with our email, we can go back to our emails campaigns dashboard. From here, you can create a campaign by clicking the three dots on the email that you just created and clicking Create Campaign, or you can navigate to the campaign screen, click the blue button that says Create Campaign, and then select the template that you just created. From here, we can click Send or Schedule, and then configure our email options here. Here we can select to either send to all contacts, to send to a smart list, to choose contacts from tags, or to choose a pre-built segment. To keep things simple, we'll send to all of the contacts that are in our system, and then we can toggle on click tracking and UTM tracking if we would like to. Once we've configured our email, we can click Review and Send in the top right-hand corner. Once we click this, our bulk action will be created, and you'll see our email status will be updated on our email marketing dashboard. You'll see this update to sent, or you can navigate to Contacts, Bulk Actions, in order to see the bulk action on the screen. Congrats, you've launched your very first email campaign, and you're ready to drive even more engagement to your business. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.